Hi, grazie. How are you? Good morning.
Come on in.
Grazie. May I take a video for my social media? No problem. Thank you so much.
My husband's down there on the bike.
Okay.
You'll see him.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet.
These lights are crazy. Yeah.
So'rab olyapti qanaqa unutadi? How you like it? Distance about
Up there on this wall.
this wall, right?
Yeah.
Center or
Yes.
little bit
Center, yes.
for center?
It should fit.
Uh-huh.
Thanks, guys. Tell us
Yeah.
if you need anything. We'll be like all
Oh,
over the place.
appreciate. Thank you. Xullas do'stlar, ajoyib bir shkafli kravat yiqqani keldik. Xullas mana shu tomonga chiroyli qilib yig'ib beramiz. Ko'tarib qo'ysa shkaf bo'ladi, tushirib qo'ysa kravat bo'ladi. Videoni kuzatib boringlar do'stlar. Ko'ringlar do'stlar, korobkadan ajratib oldik. Detal juda ko'p ekan. Ilgari bunaqa kravatdan yiqqanmiz. Mana tashqarida. Kravat, taylik, temir detallari. Biz yig'ishni boshladik do'stlar. Do'stlar mana ko'ringlar, o'rtasini ham ko'tarib oldik. Endi короче bu yerga amortizatorlar qotadi. Shuning uchun lazerga qo'yib ideal qilib devorga mahkamlab olmasak, kravat ochilib yopilganda bir tomonga tegadigan bo'lib qoladi agar qiyshiq bo'lib qolsa. Shuning uchun lazerda idealniy qilib devorga mahkam qilib qotirib olamiz. Xudoga shukr, vashti ideal keldi. Ikkita chekkada zazori. Mana do'stlar, xudo xolasa bu ishimizni ham bitirdik. Bu ko'rinishi shkaf. Shundoq tushirilsa, bu kravat bo'ladi. Xudo xolasa narsa chiroyli urinda chiqdi. Mana ko'rishingiz mumkin. Ishimiz yoqib turgan bo'lsa, do'stlar, bittadan like bosib, obuna bo'lib kuzatinglar. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Your work is done. You can check, brother.
Awesome. Thanks so much, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
You guys are hard workers.
Yeah, thank you. If you put the mattress
Yeah,
in,
that's
it's not coming
the
out.
mattress right now is
And
for
this is extra pieces. Extra.
that. Oh yeah, just in case something,
Plastic.
yeah, like something breaks or something.
Uh-huh.
This is perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. So, you like it?
Yeah. Fantastic. Scan QR code.
Thank you so much.
Thanks again.
Yeah, take care, bro.